Welcome to Crypto Blush. Flush, Crypto Blush. So, here I think this is one of the cheapest. Right now, it is at a cheaper price. Everybody think where to start, where to go, where to end up, how to increase your money. So, we are not recommending this one, but everybody from the market analysis, we also analyze it. There are a number of crypto consultant or crypto uh, is I mean crypto I mean digital people has suggested XRP. XRP is growing, XRP is this, XRP is that, XRP will give it good returns. But this is a popular one, so we are not recommending this XRP. But yes, absolutely, if you really wanted to invest in XRP, then probably here we can say XRP will not give it to you returns. It can drain it. I mean, it can give it to you minus probably. It can suppose it will goes XRP will goes down. It can touch up to 150 below, according to Crypto Blush. And suppose it goes up. It can go to 20 INR. I mean, XRP has listed in 2017. They have given good returns. Then they go on down, and they come back in 2021. Now suddenly, XRP has given a returns in 2025. So probably 2025 they have given a return. So right now they will goes down according to Crypto Blush. Do you believe it to flush your mouth with a cryptocurrency? I mean, whenever I see there are NFTs, so there is a chimpanzee or monkey in that. So that app coin is there in that app coin. That monkey is having so many things, this and that. And in that case, we are not consulting right now. AppCoin later on we will come back to you. But XRP, I can see I had imaginary. Remember, I just one of the NFT or somewhere that monkey is having a full mouth of this one money. So in number of notes. So I think I just seen any Chinese movies having this sort of thought images. I don't recollect it which movie has showed this image. Because my mind is reversible, I guess so. Like SRP is going down. So Crypto Blush say, if you really wanted to invest, wait and watch. Probably you can invest in this XRP later on. In the sense next year, because this is now downtrending. Suppose it will goes up, it can goes around 2020, 220 INR. I think so. You have to wait. Suppose it come down, it can goes down below 150 INR. But keep I think this can goes up, this can goes down. It depends on their founder, not on me, because I'm not connected with any founder of any cryptocurrencies. Yes, I remember when I started this Crypto Blush, I haven't not connected with anybody, but somebody gave me the free cryptocurrency. Have you received any free cryptocurrency? You can tell in the comments. Hopefully have a great day. Enjoy your Saturday, Sunday, and come back to me Monday.